This is why you need to know about Java's role in India's progress. Happy Independence Day, India. Today, we honor not just our freedom, but also the technological advancements that are propelling our nation forward. Today, we're celebrating more than just freedom. We're celebrating the spirit of innovation and the relentless pursuit of progress that defines modern India. We're celebrating innovation, progress, and a brighter future with Java in e-governance. Java has become an integral part of our digital infrastructure, enabling seamless interaction between the government and its citizens. Java is the backbone of many e-governance projects, making government services faster, more accessible, and more transparent. From digital payments to online applications, Java is at the heart of it all. Imagine applying for documents, paying taxes, or accessing essential services, all from the comfort of your home. This convenience is made possible by the robust and versatile nature of Java. Thanks to Java, this isn't just a dream, it's our reality. The ease and efficiency of these services have transformed the way we live and interact with the government. As we commemorate our nation's independence, let's also appreciate the strides we've made in digital governance. The integration of Java into our e-governance systems has been a game changer, driving efficiency and transparency. So, whether you're a developer contributing to these innovative solutions or a citizen enjoying the benefits, know that Java is helping steer our nation towards a prosperous future. The collaborative efforts of developers and the government have paved the way for a more connected and efficient society. Stay inspired, stay innovative, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Jai Hind. As we look to the future, let's continue to embrace technology and innovation, ensuring that India remains at the forefront of the digital revolution. Together, we can achieve great things and build a brighter, more prosperous future for all.